Ireland Consortium, and the hospital I work out of, the HCP I work out of, is the Mater Hospital in Dublin. Aside from leading the Irish Consortium, I am co-chair of the Transverse Worker Group 5 for low vision and patient organisations.
And in your opinion, what is the most important issue ERN-EYE could overcome?
Really, it's equality of access to care, particularly rare eye care, across Europe. There is great discrepancy in how patients are cared for amongst the different countries and even within those countries. And the ERN-EYE has an opportunity to improve that access, not just to expertise, but also to supportive treatments and therapeutics.
And what are the many challenges of the network?
The real challenge of the network is keeping the enthusiasm going as it's set up. And I think in that regard, we've been very lucky with the leadership of Elaine Dolphus in this regard. But to sustain that, you're going to need extra funding and coherence and guidance from the European Commission over the coming years to really mature the ERN to achieve all its goals. I've no doubt with all the expertise we have within the ERN and under Elaine Dolphus's leadership, we will attain those goals. But it's got to be guided and given the funding to be able to do so. The main challenges are keeping that coherence and keeping people engaged if they feel they're not getting out of the ERN what they feel they should, and to keep people's patients together. So the challenge is then is keeping that coherence and ensuring that all the countries within the ERN feel that they're getting a benefit out of the ERN. And then to keep the key pillars of the ERN, like the CPMS, the Clinic Patient Management System, going and operable. And to that end, I think there have been some innovations in the ERN-EYE which have been beneficial in that regard. But undoubtedly, while it's had a troubled start, the Clinic Patient Management System really is the best benefit. Patients no longer need to travel themselves to get that expert opinion that they had to do in the past. That is now done for them by their experts at home, collaborating with experts across Europe. And what's really enhanced that is the development of the GREET Grand Rounds programme and the REDVAR, the discussion regarding variants of unknown significance or difficult to interpret variants as a result of genetic testing. They've been really key breakthroughs. And then to finally have a collaborative research project such as the See My Life project, which is a holistic, total eye care view and life care view of patients who suffer with rare eye disease, are undoubtedly the sort of signature breakthroughs of the ERN in its first few years.
And in your dreams, what would ERN-EYE look like in like 10 years?
In 10 years' time, I would really like to see an ERN-EYE that is fully integrated across Europe, with the sole purpose of equal access to care and expertise for all patients with rare eye disease across Europe. And within that, it provides a model for all eye disease. And ideally then you would have an elimination of preventable blindness, but in the previously unpreventable blindness, which often underpins rare eye disease, that we would then be tackling that. And less than 50% of that burden would exist in 10 years' time compared with now. It's a big ask, but I think when you're coordinating all that expertise across Europe, we can have a big ambition.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.